Hello, what is going on, everybody? Today is Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, and this is my second voiceover because I forgot to record my voice in the last video that I made for today, which is why this one's gonna be pretty short, but it's gonna be short and sweet for y'all, right? Real quick, because this is just a small recap from Friday, and some trades that I took today. Okay, so we could talk about Viacom. You see that last swing that I had on Friday didn't work out at all. This shit shitted the bed throughout the whole entire throughout the whole day. I lost $70 out of $300, which is horrible. It's almost like 33% of my trade went to the shit. You know what I'm saying? Took a $70. I did not expect to lose that much in that one trade, bro. Like that's crazy. I only had 5 contracts. Like they were really cheap. Like they were literally like 30 cents when I bought them or something like that. I don't know. I don't know how I lost $70, but I probably should have taken closer to the money, or maybe if Viacom shouldn't have dumped so hard today. I don't know why. I was gonna take Square. As you can see, last Friday, I was talking about Square and taking Square. That would have worked out amazing. It gapped up 10 points within the first 45 minutes of the market. Those premiums were juicy. Like that was the juice of a gooser for everyone who was a Square. And I was calling that out for the whole entire week last week. And there was like $7 million in premium that was being printed up throughout. Like I think it was Thursday and Friday, and I still didn't take that trade. I took Viacom. There was like maybe $500,000 in Viacom, but at the same time, it wasn't as bullish as Square was, and Square was kind of beaten down within the last week. So I probably should have taken that trade way better. It was a way better probability, and you know, I didn't really expect that. Now, one good trade that I had today was Roblox. There was news about it partnering up with Sony after Sony was trying to sue them last month. I guess they worked out their differences, and it just started mooning. I followed the premium. The premium was gapping up really fast. I probably could have gone in earlier, like off the break of this right here, but I wanted to make sure that it wasn't a false breakout, and I was able to get the most out of this move. I sold out literally right here at HOD. I mean, it dumped a little bit, and then it touched a little bit more HOD, but the premium was going insane. Bought it at 115. I sold some at 145, 133. It was a nice juice from mcgooser for the day. You know what I'm saying? $120. It could have been like a fucking $400 play, but I didn't play it good. Um, and what else do I got to talk about? Oh, space as well. There was also some news circulating on it, and it was a small technical breakout for the day. It was breaking hard. I got in kind of late here as well. Oh no, no, you know what? I got in kind of early. I think I got in like one of these first initial candles, because throughout the whole entire day the premium just kept ripping. Well, like within like the first hour or so or two, it kept ripping. I only made $40 on that trade, but you know what? After those two trades, I was green for the day, so I was really happy. Where I really messed up at is I tried to FOMO into NEGG. I mean, I was looking at the stock like when it was up 20%, but then I don't know where it just started going parabolic on us. I tried to get in at this candle right here. It wasn't filling my order at all, so I FOMOed in, and I tried to buy the break of this right here, so it could break hot again and the premium run up again, which was horrible. I probably should have waited for like a 2 bar pullback or some form of pullback, because this candle was insane, and it was basically running off Nvidia GPU sales and AMD sales about like CPUs and Nvidia cards like being sold out in seconds, and that's not a good news play to run off of, especially since we all knew that like they were busting tennies anyways. And yeah, that's pretty much what happened. Uh, Even though it was only a $60 L, I really regret this trade, because I don't like playing within my emotions. And once I lost, once I didn't get filled right here, I was literally playing with my emotion, and it really got the best of me there. I think I used like almost $1,500 of buying power right here. So I barely had any buying power left. I probably had like $1,000 left after this, FOMO, and I was really mad. And even after, I was trying to get back in, but like I knew like the FOMO was like trying to go crazy, and I was not trying to follow FOMO because FOMO, doesn't get you nowhere unless it's backed off. It's backed by like real news. Like there was no real news on this. Like this stock is not worth $30. I'm sorry, bro. It's dead. It's not worth $30. Back then it was probably busting. It was probably going crazy, but now like, we have so many other good options to like get stuff, especially at a cheap price because NEGG isn't as cheap as many people think they are. And yeah, this is a trade that I really regret here, and it was a really cheap. I mean, it was a really yeah, it it was a cheap lesson for the end of the week. You know what I'm saying? That I'm gonna look back at this and I'm gonna realize that the FOMO, was not good. And I have to write that down. I have to write that down in my rules again because I need to follow my rules. If I would have followed my rules really good today, I would have bought the breakout right here of this candle on Amazon, and it just started ripping. It started going crazy straight out the open. These contracts that I had pulled off for Amazon, like they went insane, bro. I saw these contracts right here. Give me a second. I saw these contracts at $3 a piece. $3 a piece, bro. Straight off the bat, it was $3. I was looking at them like once they tapped seven, I was like, damn, like the premium just ran up on me crazy. These contracts went from $3 to $42 within a day, bro. 1,000% on Amazon. All you had to do was just buy one and let that shit fly, and you would have been up 4x. And there was even some more crazier plays on the chain. And as you can see, Amazon is going crazy. Like there's so much call volume in this, and the premium is insane. Like everything is up 1,000% right now. Yeah. So for tomorrow, I need to trust my levels more. I need to not try to follow news that isn't gonna bring anything in. Cause I knew that NEGG news wasn't good at all. I just saw the stock going up, which is really bad. And I always gotta have a reason on why I'm going in and the targets that I have to get out the trade because this was not a good trade at all. And I'm gonna reflect on this and I'm gonna think about it for the rest of the week. And we're gonna get better and we're gonna have a great day tomorrow. Ended up the day $41, but in actuality it was probably like 25 because commission and all that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys had a great Tuesday. I hope you guys caught that Amazon run because it was definitely a juicer mcgooser for anyone that was in it. And I hope we catch a juicer mcgooser tomorrow. And yeah, GG's in the chat. See you guys tomorrow. GG's. GG's.